Assalamu alaikum. My name is Waqas Rashid. I'm here to talk about my first year at UET. This journey is worth sharing. Everything began on November 15, 2021, when I had no idea that the year would be filled with happy memories. Everyone has a life goal, and mine is to become a skilled programmer, and UET is the platform where this desire is executing. Let me give you a glimpse of this year well spent in UET. Just like every other programmer, we began by writing a Hello World program. The task difficulty then kept getting tougher. After only 2 weeks, we were given the task of developing our own console-based business application. I made restaurant management system, named Foodbear, having three types of users: admin, customer, and worker. All have different types of functionality. This app's primary objective was to facilitate restaurant management for both customers and administrators. We also studied HTML and CSS at a very basic level. From simple to complex, we then began to develop console games. I created a game Chichi commonly known as Snow Bros. There are 3 stages in this game, and each increasing in difficulty. The player must kill the level 3 boss enemy to win the game. For desktop development, our group Habibis has begun learning the T-Inter library. I created a simple age calculator that uses the current date and your date of birth to get your age. Then we started progressing in C#, studied basic syntax in 2 weeks, and converted our business application and game in C#. After that, we switched to WinForm application and created some simple apps, including a notepad and a calculator. I converted my business application in desktop apps. Product, employee, user, table, and budget management are all things that admin can manage. The user can view the menu, reserve a table, and have different functions. Worker can see pending orders, mark attendance, etc. We also made our own custom grids, text boxes, and buttons. Then we switched to game development, and I again decided to choose the Snow Bros game for my final project. Both basic and maze games can be made by using the framework I created. Any movement and barrier detection are possible for the player. Your 1000 lines of game code will be divided into 10 lines. In the last week of second semester, we also studied Python language. In my free time, I work on new projects just for fun, such as Wi-Fi hacking with Kali Linux, drawing from Turtle library of Python, and the InstaDP downloader me and my friend upon created using PyQt and Selenium. At the end, I would like to thank my teachers, especially Sir Abbas, Sir Laik, and Miss Maida, for their time and effort in creating a beautiful course for us. I would also like to say that this year was quite interesting as well as very hectic. But the thing that let me short is the fact is that the hardship that I encountered in the past will help me succeed in the future.